Okay, we've been having a choppy morning, very choppy morning. We got news coming out in 3 minutes. So I'm not trading this range here, this morning range. I'll be looking to go short under 68. We broke this level 67.75. Came. We got some support here. So if we break at 68, I'll be looking for 65. Looking to go long over 73.75 and 74 up to 77 level. There's not too much room. Let's see what happens. Got news in 2 more minutes. If it break the 74 during the news, I may or may not get in, depending on the movement. I'm not gonna put it now and when the news come out and wait for it to move. So let's see what happens. I usually wait for the news to come out, let it settle down, and then take a trade in the direction that it's going. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'm in one position over 74. See if we can get to 76. That was the trading plan, to go long over 74. See if we can get to 76. See if we can get a pop to 76. See if we can get a push. .76 is past this. I got a support level, resistance level here, so 76 may be a little tough. Let's see where it goes. We got this pop at 72, so I don't really like this long candle here and then trying to get another long position. So let's see what happens. It's having no problem getting past the 74. Low of the 1 minute bar is 73.50. So it shouldn't come back. I don't want it to come back. It should at least have a pop. If it don't have a pop, then I'll be out quick. Got another 1 minute bar. Let's see if this pops up. It's not moving like I want it to, so make it out of this trade. See if it can pop. Okay, it's getting stuffed up here. It's getting stuffed. It's getting sold off. I'm trying to hold it. Let's see where it can go. No, it's don't look like it's moving. So if I can get out break even, I'm gonna take the break even because it's not moving. This may go now in the 5 minute bar, but it's not moving. So I was looking for one of these two bars at least to go quickly. If it don't go quickly, then I get out. Wait for another setup. Okay, short at 68. See if we get a move lower. 65 is the target. See if we can reach 65. May have some support down here, but let's see. There we go. One more. Come on, 65. Come on, 65. No one to give me 65. Wow. Almost touched it, then popped back up. See if we can make it. I'm not gonna let it go back to the green. I'll get one tick break even, but let's see what happens. See if we can get 65. It's real long, so I may have to just take what I can get if this next 5-minute bar doesn't flush down. Yeah, looks like it may bounce back up. So let me see. May have to just take what I can get because it had this long spike down. Yeah, let's see. I don't want to get out too early, but I may have to do it. Don't want to, but I don't want it to bounce back up against me. Okay. Didn't get me at 65, so reached for a little too much. Now this may do it right here. This 5-minute bar. We'll see what happens. Wait for another setup. Okay, I'm short 68 again. See if we can get a drop down. Stop is gonna be over 70, so let's see. See if we can go. If we can. It's choppy today. It's choppy today. Real choppy. And then bouncing off these levels down here. See if we can go down. The stop is above here, above this high of 70.25. So see if we can stay below that and make a beeline down. If this breaks down out of the box, let's see if it can happen. That would be nice. You're coming back to test 86. I mean, it's not 86, the 66 level back down. Let's see. Okay, here we go. This time I'm not looking for the 65. Take 2 at 66 if I can get it. Gonna make me have to scout 1 point here. Trying to get 2 points. First time is 3, this time is 2, and it's making me scalp less and less. Come on, let's go. $66. See if we can get 66. Just doesn't want to break 66. Really trying to hold it. Really trying to hold it. See if we can break it. Okay, I'm getting a little momentum here. Okay, a little momentum here. We just bounced off this level. Look like giving, oh, and we're getting some orders in here. I don't like that. We're getting some orders in here. Okay, took out those orders. Come on, let's go. We took out those orders. Now we should be looking good. Really trying to hold it up down here. Okay, this okay. Out of 66. Look for another setup. Okay, short at 67.50. Was trying to get it 68, missed it. See if we can continue down. We do got a channel here in the 15-minute chart. So we do got a trend line at the bottom here. See if we can break it. We've been testing 69 and 70. It didn't go over the 70, so good entry would have been 68. Had my stop over 70 for 2 points, but I missed the 68. So let's see what happens. See if we roll over and just chop around in this range here. Earlier 66 been giving us a hard time, 65, so let's see if we can break these levels. I think we can come down and test 62 today if we stay below 70. Don't want it to come back up. Got some orders piling up at 65.25. See what happens. See if this is the move. Come down, retrace, and then the next move down. See if this is it. So you came up, came back, pulled back. See if this is the next leg down. 64. Back to 64. Think we can possibly test 62. Don't know when or what time, but you have to break through this 65 level. It's not making any sharp moves. Got the support at 65.75, so have to get past this level here. Let's see what happens. Okay, we gotta get past these orders here. This is that support level here. At 65.75. Bouncing off the 65.75 level. May not want to do it yet. May bounce off this level and then give it another test. Look like we're trying to bounce off this trend line, so have to break this level. Make it out and just wait till it breaks and then take another short. See if it can play out to the downside. Looks like it wants to break up, so okay, took one tick. See if it pulls back and turns over. This can turn up and push it back up to 68, 69, then roll over again. So let's see what happens. Okay, short again at 67. It came up, tested 68, didn't touch 69. So we're making lower high. So just seeing if we can get this move down in one of these bars. Came up, made a lower high, 68.25. So let's see if we can stay below that level. See if we can continue lower. See if we can fall out of bed or something. So my stop is above this high of 68.25. My ideal stop will be over 70 because that's where, you know, it's not reaching 70, and over 70 we got a lot of congestion here. But let's see if it can move lower. I am bearish on it, but don't mean that it have to go right now. So can always do it later. Can always do it later. We got another 30-minute bar opening up also, an hourly bar opening up in a minute, in 4 minutes. So that bar could possibly open up and start to continue higher. Give it that push. Let's see if we can stay below the 20 moving average. Maybe. See if we go. Gotta break this 65.75. That's where we have to break 65.75. It's not easy trading, anticipating the breaks. It's not easy taking the breaks. So you have to figure out which one you want to do. You want to anticipate the break, or you want to take when it breaks. So let's see what happens. Trying to anticipate the breakdown. Okay. If we can get past the 65.75, we can move lower. I think we can go to 62. I would try to get to 64 if we can. Maybe reaching, because we keep bouncing off these levels here at the 66. So, but if it breaks, we can possibly see some momentum lower. Like I said, I am bearish on the bearish side. Just breaking these levels. See if we can get to 64 now. May have a problem getting through these levels too. Okay, come on. See if we can make 64. It may make me take 65. It's not trying to break, it's holding them levels. Sometimes I reach a little further. I try to see where I can get out and looking to see if it tests this trend line down here. It's stalling. Trying to give it some time to work. We got this support down here, so may bounce back. Looks like that's what it wants to do. Let me just again gonna take one tick because of a bounce. Couldn't get to fall. Let's see if this is where it turns over. Okay, we may get the turnover. We may get it. We may get it here. We may get it on this one. Let's see if we get it here. See if we can get past the 65. It's gonna make me scalp 1 point at a time. Market don't want to drop. And we sitting inside this channel here on the 15 minutes. So trying to see if it can play out. Trying to see if it can play out. Trying to see if it can turn around and keep going down. It's not easy getting through these levels. It's fighting these levels. They're trying to protect the 66 and 65. Okay, one tick again. Looks like I'm gonna be scalping 1 point. 1 point. Not giving me my targets. Wait for the next setup. Okay, I'm in at 65.50. Looking for this to break down here. I would like to have seen this turn roll over already, but guess I'm in a little early. See what happens. Looked like we was gonna get a rollover, but let's see if we can continue. It's riding the bottom of this trend line down. It's not really making new highs. So let's see if we can ride this down. Going down slow, a slow grind. Real slow grind. Let's see what happens. If it does fall, it's gonna take a minute. So I'm gonna pause and come back. Okay, look like we may be getting some momentum. Let's see where it goes. I would like to see 62. Still reaching. Still reaching. 62. Would like to see 62. Sometimes I reach a little far. Like I said, maybe only give me 1 point at a time. I know I may be reaching a little far sometimes. It's just trying to get those trades in. See if we can get a washout. See if we can get a washout to 63, because we got down here 62.87, and 63 is around number. We came down to 63.75 last time, so 63.50. So we may have some support here. And if we can break that, we can touch the 63. I would like 62, but I'm not going to reach. I'm just going to take 63 if I can get it. And here we go, 63. Can I get it? Okay. I'm out of 63, 232. And that's it.